Hey guys, Devin here. So today I'm going to be taking you through one of my probably favorite but least obscure lenses. It is my Canon 24mm f3.5L tilt shift lens. I got this on eBay for a really good price. They said one of the knobs wouldn't tighten. I haven't had an issue with it. So I'm really happy. I got it for a very, very good price, about half of what they normally go for. And I did that through aggressively watching eBay over a couple months and ended up getting it. I lost my first bid though on one that was a similar price. But it was good because that one was really beat up, whereas this one is actually in really good shape. So I'm really happy about that, and also came with a cap lens, so rear cap. Sometimes you don't get those things. So to get all that for half of what they go for, really good. That's why I recommend getting your lenses on eBay. So I'm just going to toss it on my 5D right here. Just going to match up red to red, lock it, okay. Take the lens cap off. See there, nice bulbous front piece. Here's your focus ring. It's very smooth and does not go past infinity. It is very good. I like it very much. First, we are going to do a little bit of tilting, and I'm going to do it in portrait. So here you go. Here's your tilt down, tilt up. Okay, and I'm going to spin it into landscape, tilt down, tilt up. Okay, and that's how that works. And you use this knob to tighten it. So let's say you want to point down and keep it in that position. You just tighten the screw there, and then untighten it to put it back up. And we'll always remember to lock it back in position when you're done. That's how you can really mess them up. So here, I'm going to spin it back around, unscrew that, and show you the shift function. So the shift is basically pushing the lens up or down. And you can use that for perspective correction, stitching cool panoramas. I'm a really big fan of these lenses. You can do a lot of stuff. And if I start getting into it, this video is going to be 10 minutes long. So yeah, those are the basic functions of it. It's a very good lens. You can find these online usually for under $1,000. Usually they go for a lot more, and I would really recommend it if you're getting into serious landscape photography and maybe want a 24mm prime, and you don't really care about having a really fast lens, but you do want one with perspective correction. That's why I got this, and I'm really happy I did. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'm really happy you guys stuck around. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new, let me know in the comments below. Drop a like, drop a sub, really appreciate it. Thanks guys, take care, bye-bye.